Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great learning this language great way. I took this the 30 days challenges, but 2 days I have not recording myself because I have work. I have lots of work in my house, and um, my be- my third floor is a work this labors and it lots of noise, lots of machinery noise, and I have not made this video. But today now I'm start. I want to learn this language because I have a big dream. Yes, I want to. I want to have a good job, earn money, and with my help my family. Yes, I want to proud of you myself, and I want to speak English well. The traveling the many countries and the meet the new peoples. Yes, guys, and I know that English is the key of the better life, but sometime I feel bored, I feel lazy, I feel tired, and sometime at look at English books, I feel bored. But every day I'm telling myself keep learning, keep practicing, because you will not keep learning, keep practicing, you will not become a fluently speaker. Yes, guys, and every day I practice in English only 10 minutes, 50 minutes, and I'm talk to myself. Yes, guys, I have not I have not my channel is not get the very way. My channel is not going well, very well, but every day I'm trying to best my efforts, and every day I'm trying to learn this language, because I have only practicing. I have only practicing English. Yes, guys, and I have created this channel, and thank you watching this my video is like and subscribe. You can do, you can speak, keep learning, keep practicing. I will meet next challenges. Bye bye.